Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Gildial and I shall take you through the journey of our exhibition The Nest. I hope you like it. A nest is a home. It's a place of shelter, comfort, security, identity, independence, conflicts, compromises, and much, much more. It's truly a multidimensional space. This exhibition became a visual inquiry into understanding the concept of the nest in both its literal and metaphorical contexts. Since gender roles become all the more striking and staunch within the confines of a home, I took the female perspective as my key frame of reference for understanding this concept. And this is how we brought together 8 phenomenal artists for this exhibition. I think the concept for this exhibition had been brewing in my mind for quite a while now, but it was only the sudden and unexpected and gravely unfortunate confrontation with the pandemic the world is undergoing that gave me a nudge to explore this concept further. I, like everyone else, have locked myself inside my home. At first, what felt like a blessing, staying at home, working from home, spending time with family, slowly started giving way to a storm of emotions. There was anxiety, anger, discomfort, desperation on one hand, and contentment, joyousness, and peacefulness on the other. Pretty crazy, right? I wanted to confront this dilemma, and I would say this gave me a push to rediscover and investigate the meaning of a home. This exhibition has been a wonderful experience. I would like to thank all the artists for placing their trust in me and for being extremely cooperative and responsive. Though I really miss the experience of having a physical exhibition, but the tremendous and beautiful response that we've received for this exhibition from all of you, from everyone who saw the exhibition, has been overwhelming. And for that, Anantat and I would like to thank you. Now let's see what the artists have to say about the exhibition.
My name is Sonatina Mendes and I live and work in Baroda. My home for me is an open-ended space of contemplation, reflection and work. In this time of uncertainty, it is indeed a privilege to have a space of comfort and security. Let us be aware that many do not have this privilege. An endeavor like this show can make one aware of how a singular concept can be unfolded so differently. I would like to thank Anant Art for the wonderful opportunity of this show, and I wish all the artists good energies and success for the future.
Hello everybody, I'm Manju and I'm a visual artist currently based out of Singapore. I'm very happy to be a part of this online exhibition curated by Aditi at Anant Art, and I'm equally thrilled to be showing my work alongside 7 women artists whose work I admire a lot. In these times, I feel the definition of home takes on a whole new meaning. As visual artists, most of us are familiar with the solitary nature of our practice, but in the current context, when distancing one from the other has become imperative to a large extent, one truly values physical proximity so much more. Personally, for me, distance and time has taken on a different meaning altogether. The new challenges around travel and the inability to be with my family and loved ones has been especially difficult. And the work Kadalinakkare, which literally means across the seas, was a response to that realization. This period has been one of reflection, so the preparation towards the exhibition was a truly welcome engagement in many ways. It was especially refreshing engaging in discussions with some of the other artists in the show and also forging new friendships. I hope you all enjoyed the exhibition as much as I enjoyed being part of it. Stay healthy and stay safe.
I am Sonali Laha. I am basically born and brought up from West Bengal. Now I live and work in Hyderabad. I want to thank Anand Art Gallery to give us such a wonderful opportunity to work on the concept of nest. In this present situation, we all are so scared and very much insecure. Before this, we are so busy in our works and daily life. We don't have time for small things, small happiness. Now this pandemic and this crucial time really made a question to us. What's really home mean to us? Because home is the place where we really feel secure and we can be with our loves and dear ones. Please be safe, take care. Thank you.
मेरा नाम भारती वर्मा है। मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। मेरे लिए नेस्ट और होम जो है वो एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर आप अपने ड्रीम्स को फुलफ़िल कर पाते हो, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रह पाते हो, जहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी मॉरलिटी और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं जो आजकल लॉकडाउन और कोरोना की वजह से हम बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे। लेकिन एक एज ए आर्टिस्ट दिस इज़ अ अमेजिंग टाइम कि मैंने इस टाइम पीरियड को यूटिलाइज़ किया अपने काम के लिए और अपने फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय किया। दिस इज़ अ अमेजिंग टाइम पीरियड। अगर मैं इस एग्ज़िबिशन के बारे में बोलूँ तो दिस इज़ द फॉर मी दिस इज़ अमेजिंग शो। मैं बहुत सारे अलग अलग आर्टिस्ट के साथ जुड़ी एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अनंत एंड अदिति फॉर गिविंग मी सच ए अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। थैंक यू।
I'm Chitra Karthikeyan from Coimbatore. To me, a home exists in many forms. Earlier, it was a building I call home, the physical presence of my family, and the material objects associated with that home. After I lost both my parents recently, home has evolved from the physical form and has now become familiar voices, empty spaces where I can still feel their presence, strains of music, smells, and my home continues to exist but in an abstract form. This pandemic has taken away something very important, our freedom. With most of us confined to our homes for months, this exhibition addresses the need to rethink the concept of home. It was a lovely experience being part of the show with amazing women artists. A special thanks to Anant Art and the curator Aditi. Stay safe, everyone.
Hello, I'm Nirali Lal. I'm presently staying and working in Baroda. For me, a nest signifies my space, my comfort zone. This exhibition, curated by Aditi for Anand Art Gallery, shares a special significance as it ushers in a new epoch in our lives. For the privileged us, it comes forth as a celebration of our changing realities, a reconciliation or a gratitude for all the luxuries bestowed upon us. It has been a fun experience collaborating for this endeavor. I wish everyone good health and cheers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Motushi Chakraborty from Kolkata. The pandemic has captured our imagination, our mental, physical space in every possible way. It is an extremely challenging situation, very negative situation for most of humanity. All over the world, we are united in the sorrow of losing our dear and near ones. In this situation, it is equally more important to communicate. I am very thankful to Aditi and Anand Art Gallery team for giving us this opportunity. the exhibition Nest has been a lifeline and something to look forward to in these dark times. I hope it has brought some amount of happiness to the viewers, and I hope that we keep communicating in the near future. Thank you, and I wish all of you a good and healthy life ahead. Goodbye.
Hello friends, I am Dimple Shah, artist from Bangalore. For me, home is a place which is the safest zone right now during this pandemic period, where areas around you are totally affected, and as an artist it is also my studio. So for me it is a creative point, it is a creative zone where I contemplate, execute my ideas and thoughts. For me this exhibition is quite relevant since it not only brings a perspective of women who spends most of the time in their homes, and who are the main key holders, who not only maintain house, does the domestic work, but also who sustains and supports the house, and they are the key role person. So for me this exhibition is quite cleverly done since it brings female perspective, and I'm also liking that the artists are from different zones, and they have brought up their perspective and thoughts into this idea of Nest. And yeah, I have to thank Aditi and Anant Art Gallery for supporting us and bringing this beautiful exhibition. And hopefully the audience and you guys will like the show and appreciate our work. And yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you everyone for watching the video. The exhibition will remain available on the Anant Art website for everyone to see. The e-catalog and the blog for the exhibition will also be available on the website. For your convenience, we are placing the links for the same below. Stay happy, stay blessed, take care, bye.